Next problem. The sum of present ages of father, mother and son is 96 years. After 8 years, the mother will be thrice as old as her son and father will be as old as the mother and son together. Find the present age of mother. Now, the sum of present ages of father, mother and son is 96 years. Okay. So, presently father, mother and son, the sum is how much? 96 years. Okay. After 8 years, mother will be thrice as old as her son. Okay, mother is to son. Thrice is as old as her son, isn't it? So, if son is one part, mother will be 3 parts. And father will be as old as mother and son together. Okay, father's age will be how much? Mother and son together. Now we know mother is 3 parts, son is 1 part. So father will be how much? Father will be 4 parts, because it is given that father will be as much as mother and son together. Okay, so it is 4 parts. Now find the present age of mother, they are asking. Present age of mother. Okay. Now, we know that father and mother and son's sum is 96 years, isn't it? But we know the ratio of after 8 years. Okay. So, what we can do, after 8 years, what will be their sum? We can first find out that. So, how to find out that? Now, after 8 years, the sum... after 8 years means mother also will increase by 8 years. Okay. Then son also will increase by 8 years and father also will increase by 8 years. So after 8 years, their sum will become 24 years. Okay. But we know it was 96 years. So after 8 years, it will be 24 plus 96, which is equal to 120 years. Okay, after 8 years, their sum will be 120 years. Now, in fraction, in ratio, we know how much it is. 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. 8 parts in ratio and 120 in years. So, directly I can say 8 parts is equal to 120 years. Therefore, what will be 1 part? 1 part will be equal to 15 years. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 4 will remain, 8 5s are 40. So 1 part is 15 years. So we know 1 part is 15 years. We want present age of mother. We want only mother's age. So mother is how much? 3 parts. So if 1 part is 15 years, 3 parts will be how much? 3 part will be into 3, isn't it? 15 3s are 45 years. But this age of mother is after 8 years. Isn't it? We want present age. So to get present age of mother, what we have to do? We have to deduct 8 years from 45. So 45 minus 8 will be how much? 37 years. Okay. So presently mother is how much? 37 years. Okay. Next problem. So this problem says that the age of A and B are presently in the ratio of 3:5. Okay. A is to B are presently in the ratio 3:5. Okay. Presently. 9 years ago, this ratio was 12:23. 9 years ago, this ratio was 12:23. Okay. So, what is the present age of A? So, present age of A is how much? Now, for this again we can take the difference. Difference between present and 9 years ago will be how much? 9 years, isn't it? Now, difference in the ratio is how much? 3 and 12, it is 9 parts and 5 and 23, it is 18 parts. But it is not equal. The parts are not equal. We have to make it equal first. So, how to make it equal? 3 and 5 difference is 2. Multiply it here. 12 and 23 difference is 11. Multiply it here. So new ratio will be what? 11 3s are 33, 11 5s are 55, 2 12s are 24, 23 2s are 46. So this is our new ratio between A and B. Okay. Now see check the difference. 33 minus 24 is 9 parts. Yes. And 555 minus 46 is 9. Yes. So both parts are equal now. And we know in years it is 9 years difference, and in parts it is 9 parts difference. So 9 parts I can directly equate it to 9 years. So if 9 parts are 9 years, then one part will be 1 year. Okay. So if one part is 1 year, now we want present age of A. So present a ratio of A is how much? 33. Okay. Present ratio of A is how much? 33. Isn't it? So if one part is 1 year, 33 parts will be how much? 33 into 1. Isn't it? Which is equal to 33 years. So present age of A is 33 years. Option B. Next. The respective ratio of the present age of mother and daughter is 7:1. 4 years ago, the respective ratio of their age was 19:1. What will be the mother's age 4 years from now, they are saying. Okay. The respective ratio of the present age of mother and daughter. Mother is to daughter is how much? 7:1 presently. 4 years ago the ratio was 19:1. Okay. 4 years ago the ratio was 19:1. Okay. What will be the mother's age of 4 years from now, they are saying. Okay. 4 years from now means what? Mother's present age plus 4 years from then. Present plus 4 years. So what will be the age, they are asking. So the options, this problem I will solve it using options method. Now see here, mother's age 4 years from now, they are asking, means the options indicate, okay, the options indicate age of the mother after 4 years. Age of M after 4 years. Isn't it? So present age will be how much? You have to deduct 4 years from each option. Okay. When you deduct 4 years from each option, whatever will be the answer, that should be the multiple of 7, because presently we know M is 7 parts or nothing but 7x. Isn't it? So whatever the option is there, if you deduct 4 years from that, the whatever answer comes, that should be a multiple of 7. Okay. So we'll see first part. Okay. 42. 42 minus 4 is how much? 38. 38 is not a multiple of 7. Isn't it? Next. 38. B option is 38 minus 4 is 32. This is also not a multiple of 7. Next. 46 minus 4, which is equal to 42. Yes, this is a multiple of 7. We'll check the last one also. D. That is 36. 36 minus 4 is 32. Again, this is also not a multiple of 7. So that means option C is the answer. Okay, that is 46 years. Okay, this I have directly solved using options method. Okay. This also makes problems very easy. Next problem. Average age of A, B and C is 10 years less than age of C. If the ratio of age of A, B and C is 3:4:5, then what is the sum of age of A, B and C? Now they have given average age of A, B and C. How much it is? They have not given direct value. They are saying it is 10 years less than age of C. Okay. Then to find this, we have to find the age of C. Okay. If the ratio of A, B and C, they have given us the ratio of A, B and C. So A is to B is to C is how much? 3:4:5. Then what is the sum of age of A, B and C? Okay, what is the sum we have to find out. Now, presently we know it is A is to B is to C is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Now, average age of A, B, C is 10 years less than age of C. Okay, this I can relate it to ratio also. So, average of 3, 4 and 5 will be how much? Average of 3, 4 and 5 parts. Okay, will be how much? It is 4. Because this is an arithmetic progression, means 1 difference is there between 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So when there is same difference between 3 elements, then middle number will itself will be the average. Okay, so the average of 3, 4 and 5 will be 4. Okay, they are saying average of A, B and C, that is nothing but 4, okay, is 10 years less than C. Okay, so that means the difference between average age of A, B and C, okay, difference between average of A, B, C, okay, and C's age is how much? 10 years, isn't it? So that I can say that C's age we know it is 5 parts and the average we got is 4 parts. So that means 4 parts is the average of A, B and C. And C's age is how much? 5 parts, isn't it? So the difference between them is 1 part and the difference between their age in years it is how much? 10 years. So 1 part is 10 years. Directly I can say. If 1 part is 10 years, then we want the sum of age of A, B and C, isn't it? So don't find individually each person's sum. Directly we can find the sum in ratio. It is how much? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5 is 12 parts. Sorry. Yes, 12 parts. Sorry. A, B and C. Okay. So 12 parts is how much they are asking. Okay. So if 1 part is 10 years, 12 part will be how much? So it is 12 by 1 into 10, which is equal to 120 years. Okay. The sum of A, B and C is 120 years. So there is no option here. You can take it anywhere here. You can make this only as 120. So option B will be the answer. Okay. Next problem. Sushil got married 6 years ago. His age is 7 by 6 times of his age at the time of his marriage. 3 years ago his son was 3 years old. The ratio of his son and Sushil at present is. Okay. Now Sushil got married 6 years ago. His age is 7 by 6 times of his age at the time of his marriage, they are saying. So 7 by, now presently what is his age? It is 7 by 6 times of his age at the time of his marriage. But we don't know at the time of his marriage what was his age. So we can assume, let Sushil age at the time of marriage, okay, at the time of marriage be how much? X. Okay, then presently Sushil will be how much? He will be 7 by 6 times of X. Okay, so that I can say S by X is equal to 7 by 6, isn't it? That means Sushil now he is 6 and at the time of marriage he was, now presently Sushil is 7 parts, presently 7 parts, then at the time of marriage he was 6 parts. Okay, so they are saying Sushil got married 6 years ago. So presently, and he got married 6 years ago, isn't it? So if Sushil age at present and 6 years ago, when means x is the time when he got married, isn't it? If it is 7 by 6, means the difference is how much? 1 part, and the difference in years is how much? 6 years, because from present and till the time of his marriage the difference is 6 years, isn't it? Because 6 years ago he got married from present. So if one part is 6 years, then what they are saying, what is the ratio of his son and Sushil's at present, they are saying. So presently we know that Sushil is 7 parts. So if one part is 6 years, so 7 part will be how much years? 7 part will be 7 into 6. So Sushil is equal to 42 years. Presently Sushil is 42 years. Now we want now son says, this is Sushil says age. Now son's age is how much? 3 years ago his son was 3 years old. 3 years ago his son was 3 years old. So presently he will be how much? 3 plus 3, because 3 years ago he was 3 years, and now we have to add 3 to come to present age. So it is 6 years. Okay, so presently son's age is 6 years and Sushil's age is 42 years. Therefore Sushil or son is to Sushil ratio will be how much? 6 is to 42, or 1s are 7s are, it is 1 is to 7. Okay, answer option B is the answer. Next problem.